Good morning.
Hey guys.
It is Sunday and we're headed to do something pretty cool.
Yeah. So this morning, we are headed to Bethpage,
Yeah.
Tennessee, to pick up 10 ewes and 2 rams that we bought months ago.
Before they were even born, we bought them.
Yeah, and so they're ready, they're weaned, they're eating grass, they've been rotated, they're ready to come to OB Farms.
Yeah. So that's what we're doing today. But first we got to hook up the trailer.
Yeah.
So we're here to pick up our trailer. We bought this around the time we moved in the farmhouse, and it's been sitting at my parents' house. So got to pick it up, and then we're headed to north of Nashville.
Yep. Got to check the tire pressure, hook it up, and head that way. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I'm nervous. Are you nervous?
Maybe a little. Mostly I'm just excited to see them.
Yeah.
Get to meet them.
I've taken care of humans for over 20 years, but never taken care of sheep.
Wow.
We'll see.
New adventures.
That's right.
All right, let's hook up this
Let's
trailer. There's old Red. Yep, working. Good.
35.
Perfect. Is this one closed? All right, we're locked and loaded.
We checked the tire pressure. We hooked up the brake lights. We're hooked up good to the truck. What else?
Checked all the doors.
Checked the doors. Everything's working on the trailer. So let's go get some sheep.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, I am. I'm
Yeah.
excited. It just keeps getting better.
See you in Bethpage. Almost to the sheep farm, but it feels like the truck is shaking, but we're not sure why. And like we look in the rearview mirror and it doesn't look like anything's wrong back there, but it just started like wobbling, or I don't even know how to explain it. Yeah.
It comes and goes.
Yeah. But we're almost there, so maybe it's fine. Maybe. What happened?
Oh, just a little flat tire, that's all.
We did make it. We made it to the farm, the sheep farm, and this happened. So, welcome to sheep farming.
Tires at it.
Yeah, that's no bueno, man. Hello, precious. Hi. Hello. Hello, puppy. Hello, puppy. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Get back, Jackson. Get back. No, sir. You get back that way. Can you? Go back this way.
Far away now. Get home.
Good. Good. Good.
Handling livestock, slow and easy is always, it's generally always faster.
Here you
I can use this one. Go, girl.
Come on. You can do it. One up in there. Nope. Get. There we go. Come on.
Well,
What an adventure.
buddy, that was an adventure and a half.
You guys missed the best part.
I don't know. I might have hit record. I'm not sure.
Oh my
but
God, I hope you got that on video.
He got zapped by the fence, but because the poor lady got zapped, she was holding on to the door of the trailer. Went through the trailer door, got him.
Yep, both hands.
Yeah, so we're headed back, and we're gonna take it slow and steady. Anyways, all right. We'll check back in when we get home.
Absolutely. Both hands on the wheel.
Yes. Come here, dogga. Good boy. We got you some new babies. Okay, so this has been a really eventful day. We got back, unloaded the sheep, and that went pretty well, except for the gate was kind of open around the corner, so I almost busted my butt trying to make sure they didn't get out.
And right around the corner. Well, I can do, you gotta come this way.
Then I got shocked by the fence. I just got shocked
Twice.
twice. What did you say when I told you I got shocked by the fence?
Correct. You touch the fence?
No, I touched that rubber thing and it shocked me.
Oh, it can't be bad though.
Well, I didn't want to be shocked at all.
Right. This right here? Well, I thought you had just touched the fence.
Because
And I
I'm
was
an
like,
idiot.
Why would you touch the fence?
Right.
And she said, no, I was touching the rubber and it shocked me. And that sounded unbelievable. So I had to test it out.
Yeah. I don't know, but that's not what you should be doing.
And turns out, when your electric fence charger is hot enough, it will conduct through rubber, evidently. So I've got to figure out some other way to fasten the gate.
Yeah, and also, on the way home, we got, I mean, just as close as you can get to hitting a deer without actually hitting a deer.
Yeah.
She was on the other side of the road, safe and sound, but she decided she wanted to jump right out in front of the truck. But thank God. You know, when you're hauling a trailer, you can't just stop on a dime. So it was like, it's a miracle we didn't hit a deer on the way home.
So close. I think we maybe brushed it.
Yeah. Also, the tires, once we got down there looking at them, they're
retread snow studs, which Pedro says are illegal now,
Yeah.
and we didn't even know that was on the trailer.
So
we bought it used.
We
and
have
so-
to buy new tires for the trailer before we ever do anything else with it. Anyways, did anything else happen? I mean, that's enough.
Did you tell them about the part where you got shot twice?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
I got to go back and watch that part again.
The sheep are doing really good.
Yep.
Dogga is doing really good. He's more happy now, I think, than he's been in the past few months because he's got something to do.
Yeah, so I was watching him. It's like he's clocked. He's on the clock now.
Yeah.
He's busy.
Yeah, he's really happy. So he did really good. He just wanted to sniff their butts and get to know them really well. And one of them is really attached to him already.
Yeah.
Like she'll sit right next to him. It's so funny.
Yep.
But we'll be
He licks their ears and licks their butt.
yeah.
Yeah.
We'll be doing a whole lot more videos with the sheep and showing you more, but this was enough. We sweated our butts off because it took us at least 2 hours to load them up,
Mm-hmm.
and then it's a 2-hour drive and a 2-hour back, and we didn't eat anything until we stopped and got gas at Kroger, and we got some deli meat. And we ate deli meat from Kroger, so we did eat something, but I've drank 3 bottles of electrolytes since I've been home.
I'm on my third.
Because, I mean, my bra you could have wrung it out. It was so wet.
It was only 99 degrees today, so I don't know why we're so sweaty.
Yeah, it was 99 degrees, so.
99% humidity.
And humid as the devil's armpit. So, anyways, we had a good time, and it was a great adventure, and the people we bought the sheep from were so amazing and nice and helpful, and they gave us a lot of really good information, and so we're off to a good start. Can't wait to see what
Not
happens
counting
tomorrow.
the flat tire and getting shot 3 times and almost hitting a deer.
Yeah.
Other than that,
it
was great.
was a good day.
Yeah.
But we'll see what tomorrow brings. Make sure you're following us on Instagram and subscribe to this channel, because Lord knows what's going to happen tomorrow.
Yeah.
Who knows?
Lord.
Anyways, okay, we're going to wrap this up before Beckett rides with Sharpie on his face. So we'll see you in the next one.
See you guys.